let's go to our friend. And maybe we're gonna, bro, where is he? Maybe I'm just gonna take the bus instead, bro. I'm just let me hide the motor here so nobody looks it. Drag this the bus. There it is. Let's go to the dealership and gonna buy a new motor. So let's go. Why am I? Why am I? Why is my head like that, bro? Bro. What is this? Bro, that is disgusting. Wait, why don't the brakes work, bro? Why do the brakes don't work, bro? I cannot stop, bro. Cannot stop, bro. Why can I not stop? I just use the brake, so even was. But why did it go like that, bro? How? How gonna fix this after? This letter I've sent. Bro, that by that. No. And maybe this or this or this. Not even the I'm not gonna buy a motor actually because hey, you took my bus. Hey, you took my bus. Hey, you took my bus, bro. You took my bus. You took then listen. Then listen, bro. Then follow him. Yeah, get out of the bus. Yeah, get out of the bus. Oh, you're gonna wipe that now. Okay, I'm just gonna let him enjoy. Yeah, he's gone.